How to transfer crypto from CoinSwitch to Cold Wallet. For this video, I chose the Trezor as an example of Cold Wallet. However, there are various different other Cold Wallet options. Connect it to a PC or laptop, and then you download the My Trezor software or any software related to your Cold Wallet. In there you have the options to add new wallet, so you tap the plus sign, and then you choose a specific asset that you would like to manage with this Cold Wallet. For example, Bitcoin. After you add your wallet, you can tap on it to get the receiving address. So this address will be used to transfer crypto assets inside of this Cold Wallet. Open your CoinSwitch application. Click on Portfolio. Tap on a specific asset like Ethereum. Click on this three-dot button and click on Withdraw. Here, enter your Cold Wallet address and enter the amount. Click on Swipe to confirm. That's it. Thanks for watching.